let's put the shades and colors in details. So this is the second part of my previous drawing. Now I'm going to put the color very effectively. Okay, you can see that the main color is done here. Now we're just making the variations of the shades. So in some points we're going to make the shades deeper. In some points we're going to make the shades little lighter. Okay, so in the the points with the border lines, you can see is going to be the darker outlines. Okay. So body part, and this is the other hand, the right hand actually coming up from the other side of the body, and that's why it's partially visible. She's holding it onto her waist. Okay. All right. And the hands you can see here. Okay, the shade is going on. All right, and going along the hand. Okay, some shades you can see about the joints. Okay, and we can put more shades under the cheek here. And the colors of the body becomes nicely visible. Okay. Now we're going to put the yellow color just to increase the brightness. All right, and fill up the gaps. In some points we can see the gaps here. Okay, so the yellow works better for the mixing of color tones. You can see. Okay, and making the shades variations for the dresses she's wearing. Let's put some dark shades and the lighter shades to make the variations of the lightings. Okay, all right, all right. And we're putting the shades here again in this point. In the wrinkles part you can see the darker shades, and it's coming up lighter as we progress towards the middle points. All right, and we just fill up here. Okay, in these points you can see the darker shades. Okay, and darker shades here. Okay, okay, and these points you can see also darker shades too. All right, so let's put the darker shades in the beginning and then coming up lighter. Okay, also darker shades here coming up lighter. Okay. All right. And in the bottom, then again we're putting the darker shades here, and along the outlines we're going to put the shades. Okay. Mm-hmm. Okay, all right. So this is almost complete. You can see. Mm-hmm. Oh, some now little bit left for the designs of the hair. So let's do the color of this point with the patience and make it as perfect as possible. Along the border lines we're just putting the darker shades. Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay, let's fill up the other parts which is not uniform like now, but we're making it a uniform. Mm-hmm. And the color you can see here it's almost done. So it's a traditional dress and she is wearing it very nicely. I hope you like the video. Please subscribe the channel and put the bell icon on to get the updates. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.